Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase push-ups. To begin, focus on perfect form. Your body should be a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core. If full push-ups are challenging, start with inclined push-ups against a sturdy surface like a wall or counter. As you get stronger, progressively lower the incline. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions, ensuring controlled movements throughout each rep. This builds a solid strength base. Once you've mastered inclined push-ups, consider knee push-ups to build more strength before full push-ups. Another excellent technique is negative push-ups. Slowly lower your body for 3 to 5 seconds, then return to the starting position. To further challenge yourself, add external resistance like a weighted vest or resistance bands. Experiment with hand positions, such as wide or narrow, to engage different chest and tricep muscles effectively. To optimize your progress, aim to train push-ups 2 to 3 times per week. Ensure you allow at least 1 full day of rest between sessions for muscle recovery and growth. Always prioritize controlled movements over speed. Avoid using momentum to complete repetitions. As you become stronger, gradually increase your repetitions or add an extra set. For example, move from 3 sets of 10 to 3 sets of 12 or 4 sets of 10. If you hit a plateau, try varying your routine with different push-up variations or adding plyometric push-ups. Fuel your body with a balanced diet, ensuring adequate protein intake for muscle repair and growth. Aim for at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight daily. Staying well hydrated, drinking around 8 glasses of water, also supports performance. Remember, consistency in your training and lifestyle choices is paramount for sustained progress and long-term strength gains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.